Morales! Wake up, bro! Morales! There you go. Wake up, bud. There you go. Wake up. Come on, Mark. Come on. Wake up, bud. Come on.
Is he snoring? Like the drugs sent him to sleep ASAP.
On October 24, 2023, panic ensues at the Sacramento County Sheriff's Department in California when a deputy enters the bathroom to find a colleague unresponsive on the floor. As deputies attempt life-saving measures, the mystery of what caused his collapse unravels, forcing them to draw a horrifying conclusion.
He took drugs,
The following
bruh.
report is based on official police records. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. It's just after 8 p.m. when an on-duty deputy enters the restroom at the Sacramento County Sheriff's Department, finding Deputy Marvin Morales seemingly passed out in the corner of the stall.
Leave that door open! Get his vest off. Straighten his legs.
Bro, why did he collapse like that? Like his leg under his back? Just like some kind of zombie apocalypse. Like, I don't know why I'm smiling in this kind of situation, bruh. This is a serious dead ass thing and I'm smiling. I'm sorry.
Morales! Hey, Morales! Hey, drag him out! Drag him out! Drag him out! Drag him out! Hey, leave that door open for fire. Put a trash can out there.
Morales. Wake up, bud.
Come on. Pulse? How's it? Got a pulse? Still got breathing?
This is how you guys want to wake somebody that has gone far away with just smoking or be sniffing some kind of drugs. Man, people are tapping him. Will he wake up like that from that kind of tap? Give a slap, a smack on his face. I'm sorry.
Breathing. He's got pulse.
Whose car is this? That's his car. That's my car. I came to use the restroom. I thought he was in there taking a poop, and as soon as I opened the door, he's leaning against the corner.
He's down. Yeah, he's down from fire team. There you go.
There we go, there we go.
Come on, buddy. There you go. Wake up, bud. There you go. Wake up.
Come on, Mark. Come on.
Wake up, bud.
Come on. Come on, man.
Wake up, Morales. Wake up.
Man, the kind of drugs he took is a mad-ass drug, bro. Mad-ass.
Recovery at all? Just because of all the mucus from you giving him that?
We'll keep him like this because he's breathing. He's got pulse.
Come on, Mark.
Come on, breathing.
Come on, bud.
Come on, Marvin.
Mark. Come on, bud.
Yeah,
Starting rub's not gonna help him.
wrong pulse.
Good.
Come on, Marvin. Snap out of it, buddy.
They attempt a sternal rub, a technique used to assess a person's level of consciousness, but Deputy Morales has no visible response.
Man, that means the drugs he sniffed or he smoked was a crazy ass drug. He's just snoring, like he's never even know what's happening around him. He's unconscious, like madly unconscious, bro.
There we go. There we go. Come on, Mark. Come on, Mark. There we go.
Hey, take these. I'm going to the ambulance, Marvin.
Come on, Mark. Come on. Come on, Mark. I see you.
There you go.
Keep breathing, man. Stay with us. You're good.
Paramedics arrive, and Deputy Morales is transported to a local hospital for further treatment. Meanwhile, deputies on scene learn he collected narcotics during an earlier on-duty call. With concerns he may have experienced an accidental exposure, deputies begin to search his vehicle.
Man,
Like said it was in a glove.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it.
A couple more gloves.
I felt those. Doesn't look like anything's in it.
That one's empty.
Nah, I'm not seeing anything in the box.
No, you
Didn't,
check that
didn't
one.
feel like there was anything in them. Not that one.
Would probably not be in this ticket, though.
Actually, shine light over your search.
Something in that one.
I think they're looking for the drugs, like they're looking for the narcotics.
Don't feel anything on that one. I don't see any other gloves floating around in there, do you?
No.
Pull up his last call that he was on and see if he already logged anything in RMS for it. I'm surprised we haven't done that, and if we're not finding it, he could have already possibly booked it.
I was like, he was on a 415 family, and I didn't say anything about dope.
No, he was on a. He collected dope at like 6:30-ish.
Okay.
The following
Okay,
footage,
dope. I think
recorded at
dope
a
is
Shell
the
gas
narcotics.
station, captures the moment he obtained the narcotics, just hours before he would be found unresponsive on the bathroom floor.
What's up, bro? What's good? You okay? You having a lot of fun out here, bro.
Yeah. You got new sunglasses.
I just saw you last week over here, bro.
Yeah.
You was dancing at the same time too, man. You
Yeah.
promised me your best dance moves. You.
Yeah.
You promised me your best dance moves.
Yeah, definitely.
What's up? You want to see the way?
I gotta go back to downtown, dance there. They're all waiting for me. Last time I went to the stadium was
And look at the druggie, like the druggie. Look at the stance. The way he's standing, God, you know how the drugs he's been taking is really hard. It's really giving him some mad ass bad effect on him. Like if you look at him very well, just take a look at him.
about
Look at
to
the
fall
stance.
down.
You were about to pass out the other night, though, last week. You was on that
Yes, sir.
Fetty.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Is that what that foil is right there in your pocket? Or be real with it. Just be real. Just be real.
Yeah,
Yeah?
could be.
Could be, is it? I think it is.
I'm not sure.
Yeah?
Nah, not for now.
So you could either hand it over or I could put you in cuffs and take it out your pockets. Up to you. Hand it over. Hand it over.
Can I get it back?
How about that straw right there?
Oh, that was the drug he collected.
Deputy Morales and his partner temporarily detain the suspect. After clearing his pockets, he asks for clarification on the contents of the foil packet.
What is this? What exactly is this? Tell me.
Crystal?
Crystal?
Deputy Morales can then be seen tucking the foil packet into a black glove before
Crystal.
securing it in
What
the
kind of
hatch
drug
of his
is that?
cruiser. Afterwards, he writes the suspect a citation for possession of narcotics and lets him go.
Alright. See you next week. Hey, I'm here. This is my area.
Despite securing the evidence in his cruiser, it's nowhere to be found. However, deputies still searching quickly find something else, which raises
Maybe he changed the position where he hid the narcotics. I think so.
more concerns.
You said foil with
And a glove, right?
How often do we just get rid of dope?
I
cited him. Yeah, you're right.
But he cited him.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah, although that might just be an old busted meth pipe because there was no mention
Yeah.
of a pipe in the call.
Yeah, but there's glass right here and there's foil. Or there's not foil, but there's...
Yeah, it might just be an old meth pipe, Sarge.
Huh?
So that might just be an old pipe. I'll toss it in there, but that's literally just a shattered pipe.
No? I mean, is that what it was? It was foil,
It
right?
said what the guy said was meth, so it was off-white substance and foil.
No mention of a pipe, though.
Man, they just be searching
One
and
deputy
searching and
considers
searching.
an explanation that might explain why the narcotics would no longer be secured in his vehicle.
Do you think he was gonna go and book it, but use the bathroom first?
Nah, there's no reason to. I mean, he could have, but there's no reason to pocket it because the stuff's all the way in the back of the station. So you'd have to get back in the car and drive in and grab it. That has to be in his cargo pocket.
It has to be. But are his pants still at the hospital? He went with his pants to the hospital.
Find out and see if
Somebody-
it's-
Yeah. That could be a good hypothesis. I think it would be with him in his pocket. And now he's in the hospital. You should go check him out in the hospital. Yeah.
Deputies with Morales at the hospital check his pockets, finally locating the evidence.
Yeah. Yep.
You see, they found it. They found it.
It's a little flow in there. Yeah. I don't want to fucking open it up, get us all exposed. Yeah. It's crazy. Shit happens quick.
However, the question of whether the exposure was accidental reaches a shocking conclusion when deputies locate a small glass pipe and an orange torch lighter in the bathroom where Deputy Morales collapsed.
The pipe that's on the ground wasn't next to him.
Man, the drug was heavy for him. He couldn't handle it. I swear to God.
But it was in the stall. Okay. Okay.
Additionally, hair and blood samples collected at the hospital indicated at least 90 days of narcotics use. Investigators with the
Bro,
Bureau
that
of
means
Internal
the police has been taking narcotics for about 90 days. Like, he's a druggie already. Man.
Affairs discovered that on August 9th and 15th, 2023, he cited 2 individuals for misdemeanor possession of paraphernalia. In his reports, he claimed to have disposed of a glass pipe, but later admitted to taking one home and using it multiple times. Investigators with the Bureau of Internal
He's a
Affairs
druggie.
ultimately
He's
concluded
a
that
druggie.
Deputy Morales intentionally used the narcotics he seized from the suspect on October
Deputy
24,
Morales is a druggie.
2023. On January 1st, 2024, investigators recommended Morales for termination. However, before formal action was taken, he submitted a formal resignation letter on February 2nd, 2024.
So now he's out of the police custody. Like, he's no more being a deputy or any kind of shit. He can't be a police no more. I think they're supposed to charge him for an offense for taking bad, hard drugs. We've come to the end of the video though. Just like and subscribe. But you guys should stay away from drugs, man. Like, really stay away from drugs. Drug does not have any good effect. You might think you're using it to while away time, like cure depression. You're not curing any shit. You're adding to the depression, bro. Stay away from drugs. Subscribe.